Dog went into the house and got tangled on a wire. Hey, buddy. If you stay there, I'll reach your collar and let you loose. What's his name? Chip. Chip? Chip. Come on, buddy. Let's get a little bit closer so I can reach your collar. Get your loose, boy. Yeah, hold on 1 second there, Chip. Like I said, there's a wire under the house that he got his lead hung on. So I'm trying to get the lead off his collar so he can work his way out. Almost got you, buddy. Almost got you.
Try getting his collar off, man.
There it is. Come on, Chip. Come on, buddy. Come see Mama. Come on, Chip. Come see your mama. You can get out.
Bring the cat out. Bring the cat out.
There it comes.
I hope to get the cat tonight. He's going. What happened? There's a dead cat that died underneath the house about 2 days ago. And it's smelly. It's just, it smells. And I took Chipper loose and asked him to go up under the house, and he did. And he got stuck.
How long had he been under?
Oh, for about a good 35, 40 minutes. Thankful that Mr. Lewis come out.
Any call for service, we're coming.
He showed up. I appreciate it. But it still don't solve the problem. I want the cat. I want the dead cat out from under the house.
You could always try to send Chip in again without his chain. See if he can make
He's
it happen.
going on vacation. He ain't coming back no time soon.
Just another call. I mean, it's another call in Macon. This one happened to be about a dog. And I'm glad I was able to help out.
Well, thank you.